Hi everyone! I hope we're all doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to actually be a master manifester. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I'll be offering collective coaching. If you have any questions for me, this is your chance. You'll be guided through your situation in depth by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. The thing is, I found myself to channel the exact answer that each baddie needs. Come to find out, that was exactly what they needed to hear. They followed my instructions that were tailored specifically to them, and bam, they got their manifestation instantly. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. If members only isn't available in your country or the link simply doesn't work, join through the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Listen to me very carefully. We are entering parallel realities at every single moment. Nothing is constant. When I say nothing is constant, nothing is constant. The only reason we feel like everything is constant is because we keep thinking the same thoughts that we did a second ago, a day ago, a year ago. But understand this, we can change that right now. And trust me when I say this, it is not by affirming 24/7. So how do we do this? How do we become master manifestors instantly? We are not saying something to get something, all right? Please take out affirming and any other techniques for that matter away out of your head for 1 second. Before using these tools, and that is exactly what they are, we have to do these 2 things first. Number 1, fully and wholeheartedly believe in the law of assumption. I will drill this into your head for the rest of my life. Anything that you assume to be true right now is the truth. It is whatever you think it is. Anything. Think of a thing right now. Do you think it's true? Then it's the truth. Can it happen? Only if you assume that in this current moment, it's already happened. It's already done. How about this crazy thing? Or this crazy thing? Or this crazy thing? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. If y'all on TikTok, y'all know what I'm talking about. Yes. All of it, yes. I can't say this in a more clearer way. I am assuming that this has penetrated into your mind and you have internalized it. Because really, this is not a fucking YouTube video. This is not a fucking YouTube channel. This is winning the fucking lottery. And by winning the lottery, I mean knowing that the law of assumption is real and that you can get anything that you want at a drop of a hat. Número 2. Deeply and fully internalize that what we are manifesting, we have in our current reality right now. Whatever we want, no matter if it's something small, big, if it's one thing, if it's an infinite amount of things, by knowing that it is yours now, it is the truth now. Period. So it's not about repeating affirmations over and over again. It is about knowing that the law of assumption is real, that you are the operant power, and that whatever it is that you're manifesting, or multiple things, whatever it is already in this current reality here right now. As real as my lips, as real as my eyes, as real as this backdrop. See, I can touch it. Is as real as your manifestation being in your current 3D reality. So after doing these 2 things, our subconscious mind is going to fill in the blank. So you can literally follow your happiness at a moment-to-moment basis every single day and get your manifestation. You can affirm 24/7 and get your manifestation. You can use SATs and get your manifestation. Why do you think there are so many different techniques and you can literally manifest by using them all? Because it's not the technique. It is using that technique as a tool to remind yourself that it is already done. You are in this state of the wish fulfilled, and at the very tip top of that triangle, of that pyramid, is knowing that the law of assumption is real. So you are a master manifester because you know that you are. You are the operant power. The law of assumption is not some made up spiritual term. It is a law. The law is the law. The law states that whatever you think about becomes your reality. It's as simple as that. Take off all the bells and whistles. That is what it always has been, and that is what it always will be. So to become a master manifester, your job is to know that whatever I think is the reality in my head is the reality in my 3D. There is nothing else to do past that point. We are reminding ourselves by using techniques, doing the ones that we want to do. And at the same time, we're detaching, we're distracting ourselves by having a good time. How hard is that? And that's it. And your manifestation is here. By doing this practice, you will literally be able to think of a thing and it will literally fall in your lap instantly. I'm not joking. This isn't a game. Keep expanding your belief in the law of assumption. Keep working on your self-concept. More importantly, the fact that you are a master manifester and you can literally manifest the shit out of anything, and use those techniques to your advantage. Do not let these techniques use you. So I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!